Well, as we're walking down the road, California quails,
Chilling.
state bird, running along. Hello, welcome back.
We are here at the Indian Tree Open Space Reserve to do a little bit of a hike. Checking out a bit of a redwood grove. Haven't been here since I was a child, so excited.
And this is in our local town of Novato.
Yeah, pretty easy to get to.
So we are here and we're gonna go hiking up this trail.
All right.
So let's go check out Indian Tree Open Space Preserve.
Damn.
.com. Lizard alert, lizard alert, lizard alert.
They're everywhere on this trail.
Lizard alert. And we are taking Big Trees Trail, going up.
On up.
Nature Facts, brought to you by Ryan.
Nature Facts with Ryan. So you can see there's little purple flowers here. And so the reason those flowers are purple is because of a specific chemical that's inside the flowers called androcyatins. And they're the chemicals within every plant that gives plants color. And the reason plants have color other than green is basically it's a reaction to too much sunlight. So over years and years of evolution, those plants were like, I'm getting way too much sunlight and I'm dying out. So they evolved to include these androcyatins to change their pigment so that they absorb less sunlight. Less or more depending on the plant or the given climate or situation.
Wow.
And that's why
I had no idea that.
Yeah, and that's why 99% of plants are green, is because green is the only color that they can't absorb, so they reflect it back to you in your vision.
Wow.
So,
really?
Yeah. So
Fun facts by Ryan.
So, and that's why like flowers have a wide variety of colors. And specifically in foods, it's really rare to have androcyatins, but in foods they tend to be the most interesting, like red onions, blood oranges, purple potatoes, stuff like that. And they're also they are also very nutritious too. They're like really good for your body. So there you go. Nature facts.
That was Fun Facts by Ryan. Trees and sunlight coming through them.
Yeah.
Well, we're turning the corner here.
Heading on up.
And it's quite the view.
Yeah. Wow.
And here we have one of them nighttime wildlife cameras looking probably for mountain lions. Drinking out of the creek here.
Mountain lions, be thirsty. No way.
A little salamander.
Oh, it's like a baby.
Yeah,
He's looking for the water because he needs moisture.
here's our baby. Papa bear must be around a mama bear.
Yeah, that's so cool. I love salamanders.
Yep, very cool. Even higher we go on the trail, the better the view.
Yeah, just keep getting better.
We got the purple wildflowers here.
Oh, that's cool. Too.
And our favorite buddy, poison oak.
Woohoo!
Go poison oak. Okay, just up ahead around the bend, the forest transitions from oak to redwood.
Oh wow, it's a clean transition there. Looks cool as hell.
Yeah, that's a nice little rock. Nice piece of rock.
Yeah, the way it's sticking out almost looks like some ancient script. Would be etched.
Or like a whale or something.
Yeah.
Look at it from here.
Oh wow.
Like here's the whale's eyeball and then the mouth.
That's cool as hell.
This looks like a dinosaur head.
Yeah, you're right. I see it. That's really funny. Cool.
And then redwood's coming up.
Oh wow, yeah. Nice trail.
Definitely. Okay, we made it.
We are here in the redwood grove. Wow. That changes so quick from like green, grassy
Like
field.
the rock is right there, and then suddenly we're in the redwood forest.
Looks like then
And even the ground is softer.
the ground is softer and there's less plant life around us because of all the fallen needles or nettles in the trees. Wow.
There's a bird singing.
Small little redwood grove just chilling. Oh, it smells like it too. That's nice.
We found Echo Canyon here.
We did. Echoes very hard. Woo!
That echoes pretty good. Lizard alert! Lizard alert! Don't touch that, by the way.
It's poison oak, yeah, but like look at how it's bursting out. Big ones.
Ants.
Yo, one of them's carrying some big stuff there.
Yeah, they're carrying. Oh, they got twigs and pieces of pollen.
It's pretty common knowledge, but ants operate on a hive mind, which is interesting. The queen has like pretty much ultimate control over everything, and if an ant like disobeys, then everyone else will murder it. They're pretty brutalistic, to be honest, but they're cool.
Yeah, these are black ants. They're not the evil fire ants. We found the tunnel of love.
The ant home. Oh, that was a bee.
We hit
4,
baby
5.
newt paradise here. We're trying not to step on them because they're tiny.
6.
There's one over here.
They might be behind us too. Be careful. God, they're everywhere. They're so cute. Oh my God. This one's so small. Oh, it's so awesome. Almost. Come on. Come on. There you go, buddy.
There's fungi
Weird looking fungi.
on the bottom of this tree, surrounded by poison oak.
I just stepped in.
That redwood up there, it's got the fire damage below, and then it's got a big knot at the top.
Yeah.
Goes off.
That's cool.
And the mosquitoes are coming out.
Are they?
Oh yeah. Start seeing them buzzing around. Beetle of some kind.
A huge one. Might be a stink bug. Be careful.
And watch his back. Get it moving along here. Getting ready. It's focusing. It's gonna release the stink. Wow, this is nice. The sun coming through the trees.
Yeah.
And the manzanita. Look at oak.
Oh wow, that's a big manzanita grove.
Yeah. It's nice this time of year because all this grass hasn't turned brown yet.
Well, that's also just because of the rain we got this year.
Yep.
Last year it'd already be brown.
Yep.
Beautiful out.
Look at the bark. It looks like a reptile's skin.
Yeah.
Like dinosaur skin bark.
Looks cool.
There you go. Got a nice tree view.
Yeah. Chill spot.
Certainly quiet up here. There's a yellow bird that just jumped in the bushes. Be quiet, see if we can see it. There it goes. You see him. The yellow bird.
So, we explore so much beautiful nature, like outside, and we don't know anything practically about it. Turkey! Right ahead of us.
turkey on the trail.
Turkey on the trail.
You see him way up there?
He completely interrupted me. You gotta.
We've seen a little bit of everything.
Oh, that's awesome.
So you were saying?
So we see so much beautiful nature outside, and we know a lot about the surface world. We don't know very much about the ocean, but it's a fascinating thought that to think that underneath us right now are a bunch of caves that have probably never been touched or explored by humanity ever.
Oh.
And have
caves.
Caves are underneath all of us, like most of the time. Like there's so many caves everywhere that we just have never explored.
Getting closer to the turkey.
Because I mean, if you think about how, especially here in California, you think about how active that earthquakes are, and every time earthquakes happen, it creates new openings. And
okay, we're doing turkey break here.
It's turkey break time.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. See if we can get it to talk. Look, there's some little birds in the tree too. Oh, they're little chicklets. Oh, I wonder if that's a mama turkey, and the babies are following her.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
That's awesome. I didn't realize that.
That's so cool.
I've never seen that. And look, there's a baby. Is that a duck or a turkey?
It looks like a baby turkey.
It's either a baby. It looks, I don't know.
It's, oh my god, it has like a long neck.
Yeah, I think it's a baby turkey. I think you're right.
That's so cool. All right, it's time to go on a turkey journey. I need to take a shortcut, otherwise we're gonna miss them. They're crossing right now, heading back over to the shortcut right now. I gotta be fast. Okay, here we go. There she is. I gotta be really quiet so that she doesn't run away. But oh my god, all 4 of her chicklets are there. Oh my god. Nature's beautiful sometimes, guys. And it's beautiful always. Oh my god, she has 1, 2, 3. She has 6 chicklets. 6 of them, not 4. Alright, this is where I'm gonna stop. She's going out into the brush, but she's turning around. Her chicklets are talking. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Oh my god. It's so awesome. It's so beautiful to see just nature at work. Mother and her 6 kids walking along through the forest.
Okay, we're back down the mountain. And that noise you hear is my water bottle and the ice jingling. But look at the sun coming, hitting the meadow. Very picturesque. I hear Ryan running down.
Here.
Thank you for coming along with Ryan and myself today at the Indian Valley Preserve here in Novato.
It's a lot of fun. Saw
Yeah,
a lot of cool
I mean,
animals.
as you guys saw, we got the turkey and her babies and lizards and
Bunch of
newts
newts.
and stink bug and
a bunch of stuff. Whole bunch of birds, cool wildlife out for spring. Really nice to see it all. You know, see the nature bloom.
yep. So if you guys like what I'm doing, you know what to do. And
Hit that subscribe.
Yeah, I'll see you on my next video.
All right.
And here at the end of the trail, we have a 1985 John Deere earth mover. It has exactly 356 horsepower to each wheel and can move a ton of earth every 10 minutes.
Got a big scooper on the bottom.